So the first way to get some high paying jobs is to go on LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is a platform where businessmen, entrepreneurs, employees, graduates, undergraduates, and everyone is. So if you have a skill, you can go on linkedin.com, or if you have a qualification, you can go on LinkedIn. There are a variety of jobs out there. So you just create a LinkedIn profile, and then you take your time and create your profile well so that it can match the skill or your qualification. In that way, if people are posting jobs, LinkedIn will send you direct message that, oh, this company is posting jobs and all that. And one benefit is that if some companies want to bring their products to Ghana, or they want to set up a branch in Ghana here, like because of LinkedIn and your profile that you've set, they'll reach you directly. So supposing you have a LinkedIn account, and I open my LinkedIn account, you come to the bottom here, you see an option called jobs. So if I tap on jobs right now, based on the profile I've set, these are the jobs that are currently available and I can choose to join. So they say social media specialist and social media manager, and then in various companies. So full stack JavaScript developers. So supposing I know how to develop JavaScript, I can join this particular one. And then sales and marketing specialist. These are all job opportunities that they've given to me based on the profile that I've set. So supposing I've set up a profile that uh, I'm a real estate agent, which I'm currently doing. I'm a real estate agent, they'll be recommending real estate opportunities for me. So that's it. So here, entry level or office assistant, um, human resource graduate program. There are a lot of them over here. So based on the profile you've set, that's the recommendations of or the job they'll be recommending to you. So guys, LinkedIn is one powerful platform to link up directly with some businessmen, some companies at once. You get their email and then you chat with them directly for them to give you some of these jobs. So guys, this is the first way you can get some high paying jobs to do in Ghana. My advice is that if you are getting on some of these platforms, try to see if you can get some companies directly to come and put up some branches in Ghana here, or try to see if you can reach out to some people in the diaspora so that you can do business with them. So platform number 2 is Jiji.com. Now we all know that Jiji.com is the platform where you can go there to buy and sell products. You have something to sell, you can go on Jiji and sell it out to people. If you want something to buy, you can buy it straight from people. Now there is one important thing about the Jiji platform too, that is if you are looking for a job, you can also get some jobs to do on the Jiji platform. So the same way, if I open the Jiji.com app, if I open the Jiji app, you'll see, you just go through the categories. If you go through the categories at the home page, you'll see jobs. So if I tap on jobs, they'll give me different type of job opportunities here. So over here, they even listed the prices, the salaries directly. So here is account officer, and the payment is from like 1,000 cedis to 1,500 cedis. Then if you can go salon apprentice needed, is a commission based job, so they'll specify everything over there. Then if you go down, you see sales girl needed to manage food joints. So there's a food joint for you and they want you to come and manage it. The payment is from 600 Ghana to 800 Ghana cedis. So it goes on and on. So waiters and waitress wanted 600 to 800 Ghana cedis. Office receptionist needed urgently. Look at, they need them right now. So over there, you can get from 1,500 to 2,500. So if you have a skill in that, or you are qualified for that, you just apply and then they'll take you directly. Now, some of the people you reach out to, if you call these numbers, are agents. So some of them are genuine and they'll give you job opportunities. And what they mostly do is that your first salary, you have to share your first salary with them. Then the rest of the salaries, it is just free. So guys, just make sure that you go through well and see which one best suits you. So guys, that's it. Now before we go into the third side, or the third opportunity, or the third way, today I was watching something and someone was a businessman was complaining that if they give job to we the Ghanaian youths, we want to be earning the same amount as they are also earning. So like if they are earning like let's say 10,000 Ghana cedis, we the workers also want to earn 10,000 Ghana cedis or share the 10,000 Ghana cedis with them. So guys, if you get some of these jobs, please take your time and don't be in hurry to earn as much as your boss, as like I don't even know how to put it. So guys, just take your time and do it small. Just be keeping the money or putting the money into other things that can also give you some side income. Don't go and be doing some things and then you lose or you lose your job again, and it's not nice, guys. That's not nice at all. So let's be good so that if we also set up our own companies, someone can also manage it for us very well. So guys, that's it. So you can go through jiji.com. There are a lot of jobs. See, they say harbor workers needed urgently. So harbor workers needed right now. So the pay is from 3,000 to 5,000 Ghana cedis. So it goes on and on and on. So guys, just make sure that you take your time and contact them so that they can assist you. All right, so guys, so the third way you can get some high paying jobs in Ghana here is on Facebook. Now Facebook is a place where we watch comedies, we watch a lot of stars, okay, some jovial stars, but Facebook is also another platform that you can take to your advantage. So if I go on Facebook right now, this is going to be my home page. So I'll go directly and search for jobs in Ghana. So I'm searching for jobs in Ghana. So you can see there are a lot of groups and pages that are offering job opportunities. So you can now scroll through or tap on groups, or you can select any of them. Then for now, I'll just scroll through and see if there are some job opportunities right now. But you can go in the groups and check if people set up this. Some people set up their pages solely for that. So you can take your time and do that. So if I go through, uh, you can see they say call or WhatsApp human resource for a ready job. So that is, there is a job available right now. So waitress at airport residential. So the airport side there are jobs available right now there. So a cook is also wanted at the airport residential area. So it's like the airport area there are a lot of jobs over there. So guys, you can look sharp. Now you can see another one: receptionist, bar attendant, cleaners, waiters, waitress, security officers, a whole lot of job opportunities right here. So you can go on Facebook, you can go on LinkedIn, you can go on Jiji.com. They'll all assist you. So guys, these are the three ways you can get some high paying jobs to do in Ghana. And I must confess that it's not all of them that are high paying jobs, but there are some that will help you in a way before you can proceed to the next level. So guys, I believe this video has been helpful. If you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. And if you're not interested in getting a job, you don't have to force yourself into that. Okay, maybe you are trying to do your business and you are taking your time to do your own thing. Like, yeah, you can go ahead and take your time and do your own thing. You don't have to force yourself into the job sector. So guys, that's it. I believe this video has been helpful. If you find this video helpful at any point, guys, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. So those of you who don't know how to use chat GPT, I did some 2 videos showing you how to use chat GPT. So you can check these videos on the screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.